Hi guys, today we will continue our AI learning journey and today we will learn our next topic like train, test, split and overfitting. So overfitting is overfitting and underfitting. So these two concepts also we will learn and also train, test, split this concept also we will learn in this video. So this is our day 10 journey and today we will learn most important concept in machine learning. So this is a very important concept in machine learning. Without this, the model looks good but fail in real world. The goal of today's journey like day 10 is we need to understand train, test, split. We also learn overfitting and underfitting concept. Also build more realistic ML flow. So this is a goal of today's video. Okay. Before moving our next topic or our main topic, first we need to understand the problem with previous day. Whatever we learn, uh, some concept, there was some problems. What is the problems? Until now we were use model.fit and model.predict. In last video we use this coding, right? So we train and tested on same data. So here we were use xy and we also when we predict the value we use the same x value. So this is not a good idea as per this problem case statement. So problem with previous programming is like we use model.fit and model.predict with same data. Okay. Now what is a real life example? Just imagine student sees exam questions before exam, score 100%. So does that mean student is smart? It's a kind of cheating, right? Same in a ML. Okay. So this is a one real life example. Now we will understand. So this is a kind of a theory part for just understanding why we introduce train, test, split and overfitting. So this is a just basic kind of theory problem what we were facing in last coding statement and what is a real life example to just understand it's clearly. Okay. Now what is the solution for this? So first we understand the problem. Now why we introduce train and test split concept over here. So what is mean that? So split data means train set means model learns and test set means model is evaluated. In last video we had learned how model is evaluated. If you not watch that video then please go through that video. I will share the video link in description as well. Okay. So train set means just model learns and train test set means model is evaluated. So this is a common split like 80% train and 20% is a test. So this is a overfitting and underfitting. How we implement it in coding way, we just understand or we just implement this in multiple parts. Okay. So in short, train or test split means we just split the data. Train set is model learns and test set is a model is evaluated. So common split is 80-20 pattern. 80 is a train and 20 for test. Okay. Now we just move to our programming. So how we implement this? So first we import some libraries, then create dataset. So we just learn one by one. So first part is like a import library. So first we need to import. Just go to Google Colab, just create your notebook Day-10 and just import sklearn and import train test split. Okay, so this is a train set split. You can delete this. Okay, so here next we need to create a data set. So this is a we need to create our data set. So in dataset, we need to import one libraries like Pandas. We just prepare a data like hours and pass. We just use one data frame, as this is a kind of similar program whatever we use in last videos. Okay, so here we just pass x is hours and y is a pass parameter. So this is our x and y. So this is our data set. Now we need to split the data. How we can split the data? So in part 3 we just split the data in this way. How? We just create some variables like x train, x test, x train, x y test. So 2 for x and 2 for y, y train, y test. And here we just use train test split method and we just pass x, y. Okay, and test size is 0.2 and random state is 42. Okay, so here part 3 means split data. Now we just need to understand what is meant by 0, 2 and 42. So parameter test size 0, 2 is 20% of test data and random state 42 means same split every run. You can just plus minus, you can just add this value. Okay, but in short, why we are using 0, 2? Because 20% test data and random state is a 42. Why we use? Because we need to split every run. Okay, so this is a part 3 where we implement our split data. Now move to our part 4 like train model. So we need to train the model in this way, like we need to import one logistic regression and we need to use logistic regression and we need to fit our x train, x train and y train. So we just use this our train variables. Okay, this is our train model. Now we need to test the model. So use this, and here y we use one variable and we need to just pass for prediction purpose x test. So this is our second variable and we need to print this value. So this is our model, test model, and now our program is ready to run. So first we need to understand or we need to learn this program first. So I'm just click on run, it's running. See, the output is like 0, 1. So this is our kind of prediction based on train test split. Okay, so test model means we just pass our x train and y train value, and based on that x test we need to just predict the values 0 and 1. Okay, now we need to check their accuracy because we already learned in model evaluation we need to check the accuracy. For accuracy purpose we need to just import accuracy score and also we need to pass like a x y test and whatever prediction value we need to pass over there. So just simply run it. See, accuracy is a 1.0. Okay, now accuracy is calculated. Now we need to just understand uh, basic concept about overfitting. Okay, so overfitting is like a model memorize training data, and training accuracy is like 100%, but test accuracy is a 50%. Bad real world performance. So in short, overfitting is means in overfitting 100% is a accuracy of data, but test accuracy is a 50%. Okay, means training accuracy is 100%, but test accuracy is a 50% in overfitting. But in underfitting, model is a too simple, bad training and bad testing accuracy. So in underfitting, both are bad accuracy and bad testing as well. But overfitting, at least we just training accuracy is 100%, but test accuracy is a 50%. So overfitting, underfitting, I hope both concepts are clear. Idle model, then which model is idle and good for training accuracy, testing accuracy, and close to each other. Okay, so visualization concept, think like this is a usually uh, elder than 100% trained and 50% test. This is the kind of a theory about overfitting and underfitting. You can just go through it and just try to understand the basic concept. Okay, so in short, overfitting is like a in overfitting, training accuracy is 100% and test accuracy is a 50%, and in underfitting, both accuracy is a minimal or bad accuracy. Okay, both training and testing. So now, in part 7, we need to just compare train versus test accuracy. So this is our part 7, and we need to compare. See, we just create two variables, train accuracy and test accuracy. So here, model score, we just pass x train, and here test, we just pass x test and y test, and we just try to print what is the accuracy. So simply run it. See, this is my accuracy, and train accuracy is 1.0 and test accuracy is also 1.0. So this is a uh, overfitting and underfitting concept where we just test our accuracy and train the accuracy. Okay, so this is a kind of a part 7 where we just compare train and test accuracy. Now we just move to next very important interview question related to this topic is like, why do we split train and test data? So most of the time we also confuse why we need, what is the purpose to split train and test data. See, the purpose is very clear, like to evaluate the model performance on unseen data. For that reason, we need to split the train and test data. Okay, simple answer is like to evaluate the model performance. So, what is a real AI insight? So, in real project where we use this concept in data leakage, because we have a huge issues are facing in data leakage, we use overfitting, common problem, evaluation matters more than training. So in this way, this is the AI insight, and we will use our test and training split data overfitting and underfitting. So this is a program. In short, we need to just import train test split. So here we just import, create the data set, and also we just create some variables for test and some train variables. And based on that variable, we just use logic regression and just predict the values. Also, we need to check the accuracy for both training and test accuracy, and based on that we just calculate this program and just made a calculation for our xy value. Okay, I hope you understand today's topic, like train, test, split, and overfitting and underfitting. Okay, so overfitting and underfitting, you just clear the concept. What is the agenda of overfitting and underfitting? Why we need to use train and test split data? Just because model evaluation evaluate the model performance. Okay, this is the agenda of today's concept, why we use in practical way. We also learn one example. We also try to execute this program in Google Colab. Just create a day 10 new notebook and try to execute this. Okay, I hope you understand today's concept. Just try to go through this and just try to execute this program. So this is the end of day 10 goals. Um, in this video, we try to understand trend test split, underfitting and overfitting basic concept, and we also test the model properly. So at the last, we just provided a GitHub link. You can just click here. So here you can just go through this GitHub link as well and just try to execute the program. Okay, I hope you understand. Just go through it and try to execute this. I will share this blog link in video description. Okay, thank you guys.